Today, we're going to be working on trying to find ordered pairs for quadratic equations. When you do these problems, you're going to be looking at the problem here. It says problem 1. It says, which of the following ordered pairs is not a solution for the function y equals 8x squared plus 6x plus 22? Notice, though, the important thing to notice here says not. So we have to find the answer that's not true. So if we go over here to our desmos calculator and type in the equation of y equals 8x squared plus 6x plus 22, remember to hit Shift 6 in order to put in the exponent. And it looks like we might have to zoom out a little bit to find our, there it is. So we had to zoom out just a little bit to see our function. We could see that it's a parabola going up and back down, up and down. So however, they give us a bunch of answers. We just have to figure out which one's incorrect. So you don't really need to look at the graph, you need the table. So you're going to hit the edit list button, go to convert to table, and it gives us a bunch of answers here. So it says, so when x is negative 2, y is 42. When x is negative 1, y is 24. And so we look at our first answer over here. It says 266, and that's already written for us. 2 and negative 66, so that one's true. So that's not the correct answer. So let's try the next one, which is negative 4. So if I put negative 4 over here, the answer on the other side should be 126. And we could see here when we type in negative 4, we do get 126 on the other side. So number 2 is also correct. But we're looking for the answer that is not a solution. So we got to keep going. So let's try 174. So when it's 174, the y should be 4. So 174, that's not correct. When it's 174, the answer is actually 243,247. So number 3 is the incorrect answer. So we're going to click that as our answer here. Let's try one more together. This next problem says, which of the following ordered pairs is not a solution for the function y equals negative 3x squared plus 6x plus 2? So we're going to get rid of the one we just did, and we're going to type in this new one, which is y equals negative 3x squared plus 6x plus 2. If we move our graph down a little, we could see the graph is going up and then down. So it's a downward facing parabola. So again, we're going to hit edit list, click convert to table, and we're going to look at it. So the first one is negative 7. So we're going to go down here to the next one. And when x is negative 7, y should be negative 1. However, it says when x is negative 7, y is actually negative 187. So that one's incorrect. So we're going to click number 1 as our incorrect answer for that one. Let's try one more together. Let me clear this again. The next one says 1x squared minus 9x plus 25. So here's our graph. It's going down and then back up over here, as we can see. So we're going to go ahead and try convert to a table. So when x equals 3, they say y should be negative 43. So I'm going to put 3 in, and that's true, negative 43. And then it says for negative 3, it should be negative 2. So let's try negative 3. Oh, when it's negative 3, it's supposed to be 11. So number 2 is incorrect. So we would mark that here. Go ahead and finish all the rest of the problems. When you're done, press submit. See how many you got right. If you don't like your score, you can try again.